Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can delete recently played music on Spotify. So first what you need to do, open Spotify and turn on any music. Then you have to turn off, then you have to close your Spotify. You have to open it again, go up, go settings, and scroll down a little bit. And here is listening activity. If you turn off listening activity, no other songs will be listed, and if you go on private session, no other music will be listed too. You can scroll down and you can clear cache too. Then open settings, scroll down, go to apps, then click manage apps, then search Spotify here, click it, and now you can clear cache and clear all data. So that was all for today's video, guys. I hope I helped. See you in the next one. Goodbye.